Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can add Widgetable to your lock screen. So make sure to watch the video till the very end, and let's begin. First of all, open Play Store app on your mobile device and make sure that your Google account is signed in. After that, you will be on the homepage of the store. Here, tap on the search bar at the top and search for Widgetable. Now, make sure that the app is updated to the latest version available. After that, go back to the home page of your Android device and long press on a blank space. Now, a bunch of options will start appearing on your screen. Simply tap on the Widgets button at the bottom and various available widgets will be displayed. Here, scroll down to the bottom of the list and locate Widgetable. Inside the drop-down, select the preferred size of the widget and tap on it. Now, tap on the plus icon on it and it will be added to the home page. Now, tap on the widget and all of your available pets will be present here. Then locate the pet you like and tap on it to display it on your home page. So that's basically how you can add Widgetable to your lock screen. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.